This video describes how we used site docs to make a safety improvement. The ACT form is there to help us identify risks on the project. In the ACT form, there is a question that says, is there a possibility you could hit a building, piece of equipment, or a worker with your equipment? For the scraper to turn around, he has to get fairly close to the building. So he has one of two options. He could turn to the right and then back up with the back of the scraper facing the building, or turn to the left and have the front of the scraper facing the building and be able to have the back of the scraper face outward. So after reviewing the options given in the ACT form, we scrolled down until we found an option that would help us to stay safe on the site and not damage the building. So in this case, we selected perform the work so the operator can always see the workers or the structures. This way he could see if he was going to hit the building. Had he turned right and backed towards the building, he wouldn't have been able to tell how close he was to the building and it could have been struck or damaged. So if you notice here, he turns to the left, as we discussed in the ACT form, and he can see the building clearly in front of him. There's no chance of him hitting the building in this scenario. And he can back with no problem because there's nothing behind them. So he essentially eliminated the hazard by choosing that option. One more thing to note, we actually walked the site and made sure that we knew where all the structures were so we wouldn't run over anything, and we knew where it would be safe to back.